Hey friends, if you encounter DISM error 1009, the configuration registry database is corrupt, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Now, this is a difficult condition. It's not that the DISM error is failing, it also means that the registry is corrupt. So, we will proceed with it sequentially. First of all, you need to perform an SFC scan. So, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane to open the elevated command prompt window. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. The next solution is system restore. So search for recovery in the search bar and then go to recovery and then go to open system restore and then go to next and choose a go to the store point and click on next and click on finish and finally click on yes to initiate the process. And lastly, you can repair Microsoft Office. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side, select installed apps, wait for it to load, and then you can search for Microsoft here. Okay, and then you can scroll down and you will find the Microsoft edition. I mean the Office edition. You can click on the three dots associated with it and select modify. Click on online repair and then click on repair and finally click on repair once again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.